Hey, Chad from Rudolph Electronic Repair. Had a tricky one here today. Another Lowrance fish finder. This is 332, LMS-332. The original customer complaint was unit wouldn't power on. So let's take a look. Okay, so initially we found that the fuse right here was open. So the fuse was open. Obviously fuses don't go for no reason. Replacing a fuse in electronic devices like this usually never fix the problem. So we went ahead and shorted the fuse. Just a thin piece of wire here. Oh, I don't know, 28 gauge, something like that. Anyway, just shorted it just to see what's soaking up all that current, to see, you know, if something's going to get hot. Then it's very quick. Usually quick and easy to find a short based on heat, power, heat dissipation, obviously. So we went ahead and did that. We used a thermal camera to save some time. We found that diode right here was heating up, coil here, the transformer here was heating up, diode here was heating up. Just lots of heat on the board itself. We actually tested, and that's the 12 volt rail, by the way. We tested the 12 volt rail and we were getting a short to ground. The positive side of the 12 volt rail, we were getting about 0.82 ohms to ground. So we tested the diode was fine, tested this diode is fine. We systematically started removing components. When you have so many things on a rail, you need to isolate exactly where the current's going. So we removed this diode right here, which, by the way, at this point, once you start removing components, you're going to kill the 12 volt rail. So at this point, you have to usually test just the resistance from the 12 volt rail to ground. Okay, so remove this component, still getting 0.82 to ground. Remove the transformer, the same. Removed the filter cap, and I was suspecting the filter cap, to be honest. Remove the filter cap, checking the positive side of the filter cap once it was removed. To ground, 0.82 still. At this point, actually what I did is, so I had the diode removed, transformer removed, filter cap removed. I injected 12 volts right to the positive side of where this filter cap was. So I injected 12 volts directly to the 12 volt rail. I then noticed, just to see if I'm getting on the right track, I noticed I was getting heat in this section over here. So okay, so we got another transformer here, and we have this guy here, which at the time I wasn't sure exactly what it was. Probably a MOSFET, could have been a transistor. I removed this component here, which actually turned out to be an N-channel MOSFET. And boom, check the resistance. We're up to 100K. No more short to ground. Excellent. So what we did is we reinstalled the N-channel, a new N-channel MOSFET. Not the same exact N-channel, but the specs were fine for this situation. Reinstall the filter cap, reinstall the transformer, reinstall the diode, and let's power it on. Or fingers crossed, let's power it on. And there we go. It was a tricky one, but we got her. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. Hopefully the customer's happy with this repair. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or if you have any repairs you'd like to have us take a look at, give you a free estimate, www.rudolphrepairs.com. Click the mail-in section. You can get a free estimate there, or you can send it in and get a free on-bench estimate. Fish finders, GPS fish finder, sonar, I mean everything from laptops, tablets, custom projects. Nothing is too big or too small. Feel free to ask us for an estimate. We'll be happy to provide it. Estimates are always free. Again, Rudolph Electronic Repair, rudolphrepairs.com. Talk to you guys soon.